Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, that is good. So, are we ready for today's lesson? You are? Good. Today in civic education, we are going to be looking at ways of reducing accidents, okay? Our topic for today in civic education it's on ways of reducing accidents. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at ways accidents can be reduced, okay? And also FRSC, and we're going to know the meaning of that in today's lesson, okay? So first, let's look at ways accidents can be reduced. We know accident pose significant threats to public safety, right? So let's discuss how it can be reduced. One way accident can be reduced: education and awareness. Promoting public awareness through campaigns and educational programs to inform people about safe driving practices, pedestrian safety, and the dangers of reckless behavior. Okay, education is a way of reducing accidents. Teach safe driving habits and pedestrian awareness through campaigns and programs. Do you understand? Conduct workshops in schools on importance of using crosswalks and looking both ways before crossing the street. Okay? Another way accidents can be reduced: strict law enforcement. Enforcing traffic laws rigorously with consistent penalties for violations to deter reckless driving and non-compliance with safety regulations, okay? Increase police presence in areas with high traffic violations and implement strict fines for speeding. Do you understand? So strictly enforce traffic laws with consistent penalties for violations. Infrastructure improvements: investing in well-designed roads, proper signage, and efficient traffic management systems to enhance overall road safety, okay? Build better roads and manage traffic efficiently. Do you understand? Invest in upgrading poorly maintained roads, fixing potholes, and ensuring clear road signs at intersections. Another way: technology integration. Implementing advanced safety technologies in vehicles, such as collision avoidance systems, lane departure warnings, and smart traffic management solutions. Do you understand that? Use safety technologies in vehicles and smart traffic management, okay? Install speed limit devices in vehicles and implement smart traffic lights that adjust based on traffic flow. Do you understand? Driver training programs. Offering comprehensive driver training programs that emphasize defensive driving, responsible behavior, and adherence to traffic rules. Provide comprehensive driver training programs with a focus on responsible driving. Okay? Mandate defensive driving courses for new drivers, emphasizing safe following distances and proper merging techniques. Another way of reducing accidents: emergency response systems. Establishing efficient emergency response systems to quickly address accidents, providing timely medical assistance, and minimizing the severity of injuries. Okay? Ensure quick emergency response to accidents for timely medical assistance. Establish a dedicated emergency hotline for reporting accidents and deploying rapid response teams equipped with first aid. Do you understand? These are ways accidents can be reduced. Regular vehicle maintenance. Encouraging regular maintenance of vehicles to ensure they are in optimal condition, reducing the risk of mechanical failures contributing to accidents. Okay, encourage regular vehicle maintenance to prevent mechanical failures. You launch public awareness campaigns encouraging regular brake checks and tire rotations. Public transport options, promoting and improving public transportation options to reduce the number of private vehicles on the road, subsequently decreasing traffic congestion and potential accidents. Improve and promote public transportation to reduce private vehicle traffic. Okay, public transport. Introduce more buses or trains, offering affordable and convenient alternatives to private cars. All these are ways accidents can be reduced. Community involvement, encouraging communities to actively participate in promoting road safety, organizing neighborhood initiatives, and fostering a sense of responsibility among residents. Do you understand? Engage communities in promoting road safety through local initiatives. Okay? Organize neighborhood watch programs focused on traffic safety, including speed control and responsible parking. Data analysis and research, conducting through analysis of accident data to identify patterns, high-risk areas, and common causes, enabling targeted interventions and improvements. Do you understand? Analyze accident data to identify patterns and focus on high-risk areas for targeted improvements. Okay? Use accident data to identify intersections with high accident rates and implement targeted safety improvements like additional signage or traffic calming measures. Do you understand? Combining these strategies can contribute to a comprehensive approach to reducing accidents and creating safer road environments for everyone. Okay? So these are ways accidents can be reduced. Now let's look at FRSC. FRSC means Federal Road Safety Corps. Okay? The Federal Road Safety Corps is a Nigerian government agency responsible for ensuring road safety and preventing accidents on the nation's highways. So it plays a crucial role in enforcement, monitoring and enforcing compliance with traffic laws to reduce road accidents. Okay? Making sure people follow traffic laws to prevent accidents. Enforcing rules, that is what they are there for. Education, conducting public awareness campaigns and educational programs to promote responsible road use. Teaching safety, running campaigns to educate the public about responsible road use. Emergency response, providing prompt response to accidents, offering medical assistance, and ensuring the smooth flow of traffic. Okay, quick response, helping at accident scenes by providing medical aid and managing traffic. Regulations, regulating and standardizing road safety practices, including vehicle specifications and driver behavior. Regulating road safety practices for vehicles and drivers. Setting standards. Licensing, issuing and renewing driver's licenses, ensuring that only qualified individuals operate vehicles. Okay? Making sure only qualified individuals get driving licenses. Data management, collecting and analyzing road traffic data to identify trends, risks, and areas for improvement. Studying traffic data to understand patterns and improve safety. Okay, do you understand? So the FRSC in Nigeria works to make roads safer. Do you understand? They work to make roads safer, to prevent accidents, to reduce accidents, okay? So today's lesson on ways of reducing accidents, we understood everything we talked about, right? We looked at ways accidents can be reduced and Federal Road Safety Corps. So we understood everything we talked about. So I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.